नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी विश्वनाथ तंबाखे सर आज आपल्या सर्वांचं इझी इंग्लिशच्या या भागामध्ये मनपूर्वक स्वागत करतो. आज आपण या भागात 1.3 बास्केट फुल ऑफ मूनलाईट हा इयत्ता 10वीतील इंग्रजी विषयाचा अभ्यास पाहणार आहोत. या भागात आपण चिटचॅट, मार्जिन क्वेश्चन आणि इंग्लिश वर्कशॉपचा अभ्यास घेणार आहोत. प्रथम वॉर्मिंग अप चिटचॅट. क्वेश्चन 1. Did you like to hear bedtime stories when you were a child? Answer: Yes, I liked to hear bedtime stories when I was a child. Second question: Who usually told you the bedtime stories? Answer: My grandparents usually told me the bedtime stories. 3. Why did you like them? Answer: I liked the stories because they were simple, interesting, and sometimes very funny stories. 4. Do you still like to hear those stories again? Answer: Yes, I still like to hear those stories again. Next, discuss in groups about the procedure of planting a tree. Write the steps in bullet points and present it before the class. झाडे लावण्याची पद्धत या विषयावर चर्चा करून मुद्दे तयार करा व आपल्या वर्गात सादरीकरण करा. त्याचे पॉईंट्स पुढील प्रमाणे दिलेले आहेत. पॉईंट नंबर 1, चूजिंग गुड सीड्स ऑफ प्लांट्स. नंबर 2, डिगिंग इन द ग्राउंड. 3, पुटिंग सीड्स इन द लूज सॉइल. 4, कवर विथ सॉइल. 5, fill in the hole. And point number 6, water it regularly. Next, discuss in pairs and write what your father and mother do for your family. Answer: Father. Points are given downstairs. 1. Father works hard to earn a living. 2. Completes the needs of family. 3. Advises to inculcate good habits. 4. Performs duties as a head of the family. 5. Role model of the family members. Mother. 1. Cooks food and feeds the family. 2. Keeps the house clean and tidy. 3. Brings up children with love and compassion. 4. Looks after children's education. And fifth one, wakes up early and starts to work. 6. Takes children's study. Next, margin questions. 1. What does the poet wish to get from the moon and why? Answer: The poet wishes to get basketful of moonlight from the moon so that he can sow the seeds of moonlight to light the dark path from the city to the village. Question 2. Why is the road from the city to the village dangerous? Answer: The road from the city to the village is dangerous because it is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Question 3. Why does the poet want his father home early? Answer: The poet wishes his father home early because he wants to listen the fairy tales and stories from his father. Question 4. How do you spend your evening time with your family members? Answer: I spend my evening time with my family members on discussing important events. I also listen stories from them in the evening. Next, English workshop. 1. Complete the following sentences with the help of the poem. A. The child wants to sow small moons of lights from the city to his village. B. According to the child, the route of his village is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. C. The child wants a basket full of moonlight on loan. D. The child wants to light the dark route so that his father returns early. Next, question number 2. Write down the describing words used for the following nouns. 1. Small moons. 2. Tough route. 3. Whole village. And fourth one, early morning. Next, the child in the poem wants to solve the problems of his village. How can the child solve them with the following wishes? A. Give me moonlight, basketful or 2 baskets full with seeds of moonlight. Answer: The child requests moon to enlighten his village by providing moonlights. B. I want to light the dark routes so that my father returns early. Answer: the child could wait for his father in the moonlight. Question number 4. Pick out and write the lines from the poem that prove the following. A. Father reaches home late after dark. Answer. When my father returns home, I am asleep. Next, B. Eager to hear fairy tales from his father. Answer. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. C. Remove darkness and bring light among the darker paths. Answer. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Question 5. Write as many words as you can using full as suffix. Answer 1. Basketful, handful, bucketful, colorful, sackful, spoonful, powerful, meaningful, potful, and the last one, beautiful. These are the words which end with suffix. Now, next question number 6. Pick out the examples of alliteration and repetition from the poem. 1. O moon, give me moonlight, basket full or two baskets full. This is the example of alliteration. And the second, I want to sow many small, small moons of light. This one is the example of repetition. Next question number 7. Write an appreciation of the poem. Answer. The appreciation of this poem is given separately in another video. Now, next, question number 8. Write an imaginary letter to the moon. Answer. Aditi Balgi, 150 Vishal Nagar, Vijapur Road, Solapur, 413006, 27th July 2021. Dear Chanda Mama, how can I express my feelings about you? You are lovingly called Chanda Mama. We have been listening about you since our childhood. You are the symbol of love and beauty, not only for the children like us, but also for the grown ups. You are the one who looks after all the living things on the earth and give joy to all of them. Your cool light gives us comfort and soothes our body and soul. Mother sings your songs to make children asleep. Your beauty inspires poets and musicians to compose songs. Without your presence, who will write lullabies for us? Who will write romantic poems? Chanda Mama, be with us all the time to fill our hearts with your beauty, love, and pleasant appearance. Please keep your blessings on us. Yours lovingly, Aditi Balgi. Next question number 2. Discuss with your friends, brothers, or your classmates and write your list of wishes to make your town people happy. आपल्या समाजाला आनंदित ठेवण्यासाठी तुम्हाला वाटणाऱ्या गोष्टींची यादी करा. Answer 1. I wish my village should have all basic facilities of health, sanitation, education, and library. Second, the people in villages should have mutual trust and cooperation. Third, I think my village should have a bank and ATM centers. 4. I will be grateful if my village should have employment facilities. 5. I will help the neighbors without selfish attitude. And 6. I think my village should have parks, gardens, and amusement centers. Next question 10. Let's compose imaginary poetic lines. Answer. Sowing the seeds of moonlight, let's find the road to space. Traveling among the stars in a galaxy, we shall learn the whole of them, their history, geography, and the aliens who might live there. Students, I have given all the answers of this poem. If you like this poem and this video, then don't forget to subscribe and share.